Hello, it's Tom here. Just a video to show you the support structure that I put in here. Basically, this is the growing chamber, so to speak, and it's got a rim around the top, made of pine in this example, and at the bottom it's perspex, so you can see what's going on inside. And also, when they're a bit more developed, the roots will hang out, but otherwise you can basically just put the water above the bottom of the actual plastic growing chamber, and it'll access the nutrients from the liquid. Basically, I'm showing you the support structure. So, for instance, this is a good example. Let's just say that this is a plant to be growing for, say, a month or so, and it's nicely developed. It's getting there, and it's getting quite tall, and it's starting to sort of sag to one side of the container. What you can do is you basically can just put in these little plastic perspex support structures. It's a very simple way of supporting them, and it basically plays into the idea of visibility, so that you can basically see straight into the plant and see how it's getting on through this sort of transparent plastic. So basically you just pop it in there like that. There's lots of different ones in there, and if you need more you just basically pop more in to support it, and then you can manipulate it, and then you can on my final, I think I'll probably make the actual growing chamber a little bit deeper so that I can put more supporting structure in there. But basically it's good. It's a good thing for it to kind of overflow the top, because it's kind of like it hides the seams and stuff, so it's hidden, and then you can kind of just lift it like that, so it's quite nice. So it sort of flows directly into this design. So imagine if it has grown, you cover all these seams here and all this kind of visible mess, if you know what I mean. It's kind of like, it's not as minimalist as I like, whereas the base is, so it'd flow over, it'd be a nice green top around here sort of thing, and basically it would kind of look a little bit nicer, but in general it does look very nice. I'll probably also make the top out of perspex as well. That's another thing I quite like to do. It's thinner, a smaller profile, and additionally here you can see that there's a bit of wobble. So what I want to do is I want to put mounting pins on the base, so that the base, and then put a hole through the top, which will obviously be thinner, and you can basically mount it directly in place, exactly where you want it. Okay, thanks very much, bye.